Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Beauty Plum, and it is ripe. I went to squeeze it to see how ripe it was, and it just started squirting uh, nectar out of the bottom here. Beauty is our first plum of the year, and it's coming. They're ripening at different rates, but certainly by next week these will all be ripe. But as always, when I come out here to look at the fruit in our orchard, I try to do a stroll out here every day because I never know, if the birds or most importantly, if the raccoons are going to come out here and harvest everything before I get a chance to look at it. Beauty is an Asian plum, so we're gonna need some other Asian plums around, and we have many in order to pollinate it, or in some cases, in order to increase the fruit set. This tree has been in for a few years now. You can see the trunk here is pretty substantial, but it hasn't really produced a lot for us. So we may not prune it back hard this year and see if we can get some more fruit out of it. But this is the first ripe plum of the year for us. So let's take a taste. Oh my God, that's great. That's got, it ripens from kind of bottom to top, and it's got a much more interesting taste than Methley. And when I say interesting, I mean good, of course. But Methley and Shiro are two of our go-to plums here. And this one, I like it. I kind of like it better. And it's pretty. Look at the color and the flesh there. It's clingstone. Asian plums are clingstone, so you can't really, the seed or the stone in the middle sticks to the flesh of the fruit, so you won't. It's much more difficult to process. It's much more difficult to like put in a dehydrator and dry out. So these are fresh eating plums, which is okay because one of the goals of our orchard is to have um, wonderfully refreshing summertime treats for the farmers market. So this is we'll try to grow this out and make more of them because it's fantastic. This is Beauty Plum. It is our first plum of the year, and I'm going to run up now and share this with my family because it tastes great.